In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to confirm the deletion, and how to publish your changes so your live site stays tidy and up to date. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. From your Wix dashboard, choose the site you want to edit and enter the editor. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menus appear. You'll be working inside the main editing interface where you can see your canvas in the center and the controls around it. Next, open the Pages area. Click the highlighted Pages control in the editor interface to bring up your site's page list. This panel is where all your site pages live, and it's the place to manage, reorder, and remove them. Inside the panel, you'll see a New Page button. Go ahead and click that to surface the page management options if the panel isn't already expanded. Don't worry, clicking here won't publish anything yet. It simply ensures you're in the right spot to access and manage the existing pages on your site. Now, find the page you want to remove in the list. Hover over it and click the highlighted options icon next to the page name. This opens the page's contextual menu with actions related to that specific page. Choose Delete from the menu. Wix will register that you want to remove this page from your site. If the page is set as your home page or is used by a feature like a store or a bookings app, you may see a note explaining what needs to be adjusted first. In most cases, regular pages can be removed right away. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete again to confirm. This step makes the deletion final inside the editor, removing the page from your site's structure and your navigation menus. If you changed your mind, cancel here, and the page will stay put. With the page deleted in the editor, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish in the top right. Publishing pushes your updates to the live version of your website, so visitors no longer see the deleted page. When the publish confirmation appears, click Done to close the dialog and return to the editor. At this point, the page is removed from both the editor and your live site. As a tip, always double-check your site's navigation after publishing to ensure there are no leftover links pointing to the deleted page. If you ever need the content again, consider duplicating a page instead of deleting it next time or copy key